Hello, gentle people, and welcome to my Sparrow Art Vibes YouTube channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I'm Hazel, and every week I share how I create the products that I sell in my Etsy and Shopify stores. I am sure that you've probably heard the quote or the saying, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Lemons, of course, represent sourness or the difficulties that we face in life, and making lemonade is turning those challenges into something positive and sometimes even something desirable. The quote is meant to motivate. But I remember hearing a different version of that saying when I attended a workshop, and the speaker said, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. But then they added, and sell it for a profit. So this week's video is not a product tutorial, but rather I'm going to show you how I turned my red lemons into cherry lemonade. And once I put this on my list this on my website, I do hope somebody will buy it and I will make a profit. So we join this video after the resin was mixed and colored. Here we go. All right, so back to the red. Woo! Didn't mean to do that. So many levels. And then we'll work on our stripes. It's 3 red and 2 white. So we're going to pour red. Woo, it's getting thick. Ooh, that's what I was afraid of. Red there. Ooh, that's like Jello. Woo! Woo! Look at that. Look at that. There's that complete. Oh, what a waste. Looky, guys, I made. Oh! When I messed up big. Look at that. It's all set. All right. You will remember that the issue was that this started setting when I had over-poured the lid, tried to clean the lid, and this started setting. Meanwhile, and when I went to pour it, then I wound up with this glob. I'm not going to throw this out. I'm going to do something with it, and I will show you what I'm going to do with it in a little while. So with this blob that was resin that set while I was trying to fix another problem, I said I wasn't going to throw it away. So what I decided to do was create a piece of art with this. So let me show you. I took this blob out of the measuring bowl, and then I took my Dremel and I actually sanded all of the rough edges here. And I'm saying I did this because I didn't realize I hadn't turned the camera on when I was doing it. So I took the Dremel, I sanded all of the rough edges, so if someone were to touch this, they would not become injured. And then I went back and I painted those sanded edges with my Deco Art gloss varnish. And so what I am going to do with this is mount it. I purchased this wooden plaque, which I am actually now considering a base, and so I sprayed it. And so I sprayed the base with this Rust-Oleum metallic, I believe it's called Champagne Bronze. And so I now am going to put some rubber bumps on the bottom of this. Oh gosh, once you stick these, they're hard to get up. Okay, so I have my rubber bumps. And then what I'm going to do now is take my Gorilla Glue, my Gorilla Clear Grip Adhesive. I am going to put it on the bottom of this bad boy. Make sure I have a solid circle of glue here. Alright. And so now I'm going to just turn this over. Oops. And I'm just going to set that like that. And so I will be able to use this as a piece of art. And when this, once this dries, I'm then going to take my drill and I'm going to drill this screw into the bottom of this to make sure it's secure and doesn't ever come off. And the resin that I poured, this is what the coaster looked like with the resin that I poured out of the lid. So this is what we do when we make mistakes. We don't just waste our stuff, we try and repurpose it.